Hi, Miguel Fonseca. I'm the CEO from DISPLAX at ISE 2020. We are here showing and expanding our products for touch in the collaboration market for whiteboards. So typically people use a whiteboard and markers and erasers. We brought that experience to digital. So this is a display, this is a touchscreen where we can touch, but also now with a digital marker, we can write on top of the content, and then with your palm, you can erase it, or you can write it, and we develop another eraser. And all these two products or these two accessories are combined with the Sense, and they have no battery at all. So no need to charge, they are completely battery free. So this is the Sense. We have two active pens that you can use, two color active pens, so they report directly to the Windows as an HID device. The eraser also as an eraser directly as HID to the Windows. This is compatible with all operating systems, and it's available on 55 inches, 65 inches, and 86 upcoming. You can find more information at DISPLAX.com.